Okay, so I think I'm going to continue to work on this. Um, and the first thing I'm going to do is tweak the look our header here. Right now it's full of text. It's functional but ugly. And we can start changing that. So I already have a design in mind, and I think hopefully it'll look good. I'm gonna make the height of these guys equal. Equal heights. Can I do equal heights? I guess not. This is special. It's always special. That's fine. We'll make it 0 to top and bottom. And aspect ratio is going to be 1 to 1. Alright, and also top to bottom 0. I'm just kidding. I like some padding there, some padding here. Need constraints for X position. X position 5 to the left. Okay. I don't know, maybe 5 is too little. Let's give it slightly bigger numbers all around. I'll even give it 10, 12, 12 to the left, maybe. Our font here needs to be significantly bigger. And I'm not sure what kind of font I want, so I'll just keep it as is. So the text is centered. Let's see what a 7 looks like. Yeah, it's 12 is weird because 1 is narrower. Whatever. Now I need 2 more labels here. White color. One says class, some class. The other one says result. And then there's going to be like 4 out of 12 victories. And this is gonna have a distance to the left 12. Let's give it, I don't know, 18. And this will have top. Okay, this will have aligned left and something like at the bottom. Sure. And I'm gonna give this guy a height of 70. That's fine. I suspect something might not be as good. Align bottom to 12 equals 11. That's fine. This guy, align leading the is this 0? Okay. So that's that. Okay. Now I'm going to go to the code and connect a bunch of stuff, right? Description label, I believe, is still this guy. I'm gonna just disconnect it and forget about this. This line, stat label, class label, and result description label. And okay, that's the basic UI. Let me see what else. Oh yes, header view. Sure. Header container view. Okay, we've got all the references we need to work with. And now I'm gonna switch back to terminal. Okay, here we are. So first thing I'm gonna do is make the stat label round, has the round background. So And then we'll update our class label. I believe this has been done somewhere else. Yes, right here. Okay. Result description. A number out of another number something. This number would be stat, right? Okay. So here I can say, instead of total, I'll define our description tell. If it's victory, I'll say 12 wins, victories. Also, as I say, non-victories. Okay. So hopefully that'll make it look better. Well, there's always the fun part of trying to compile it. Will it compile? Yay, I'm getting better at this using Vim Business. Finished running? What? Why? I don't understand. Oh ho ho, look at that. Although this is still 12. I don't know if that's accurate. Hunter 0 out of 12 victories. 0 out of 12? 0 out of 12, that's right. 5 out of 12 victories. 3 out of 3. Um, so this 12 number is not being updated. Stat label? Oh, I never updated it, I guess. We have our stat. Okay. That should do it. Another thing I need to do is change the color. So if it's here, I'm gonna say Also, the corner is not round for some reason. Hmm. Corner radius equals this width. I don't know. I don't understand. Okay. All right. Let's take another look. So, a few things. Apparently, I'm changing the background color of the wrong thing, right? This is not the one we want. We wanted a header container view dot background color, and also the corner radius. Is there a background view? Does UI label has a background view? Background UI label. Let's Google it. View.layer.corner radius equals 8. Label.layer.corner radius equals I wonder, maybe like this. Hmm. Hmm. What am I doing wrong? Background and font color accordingly. Text color, right? Okay. So a few things I need to find out. What is these numbers and why are they not being set properly? That label.frame, print that one. Also stat label.layer.corner radius. What are the numbers and why aren't you changing? 0. What is 0? The corner radius is 0. Now I'm going to set your corner radius to whatever the width is. Should be 35, really? Okay. But it did not work. Hmm. Mask to bounce. Do I need to do this? Mask to bounce. Hmm. For device with 7.1 or later, you need to add this. This should be part of this answer. Okay, so that is not round, apparently, but it's better. Mm, yeah, this is better than the one line thingy, right? But I'd like to decrease the size of this label slightly. So the distance to top, let's give it 15. Distance to bottom space. Oh, that was the bottom. Now it's the top. Wait. Okay, then I need to change his height. Height equals 70. Too big. Now I can say height equals 56. Okay, whatever. And then update the rest of frames. Okay. Align top. Maybe 5 pixels. Okay, that's slightly better. So the next thing I'd like to do is to make this view, this header thing, not really a header. Instead, it's going to be a fixed, like a fixture when you scroll the result. So let's do a view controller. I think I can do this pretty easily. What if I just drag this one over here? Okay, I'm gonna drag this all the way up. Disable the status simulation for this view controller because it's really a popover. Okay, and of course I gotta add some constraints. Okay, good stuff. Of course, I still need a table view controller. Well, table view really. This table view, however, it's going to be just beneath this, right? Just beneath the header. 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Simple. Um, Cell, okay. Prototype cell, it has all the properties that this cell has. Actually, I can just drag this over, can I? Drag this over and delete this one. And copy this. I think this is even related to the cell, isn't it? This cell? Show stat detail. Let's take a look at the code. So I actually manually perform this. So it doesn't belong to any cell. So this segue is simply from one view controller to another. Okay, it's gonna be pop over, and I'm gonna assign a arbitrary anchor just so Xcode will be happy. I believe I actually set the anchor when I perform this cell. We have a source rect. Yep, under this. Okay. And now I'm going to transform our class to a regular UI view class. Well, not this one. It would be stat detail controller. Instead of being a table view controller, you would just be a normal view controller. There will be necessary things to be set. I'm gonna make this class the correct one and then make the connections, right? Um, this override is no longer, I shouldn't edit here. Um, these override keywords is no longer necessary. The table view now is not present by default. That's easy to solve. Oh well. Hello? What is this? Hmm. Okay. Maybe not so easy. I'll do it here. We have a table view. And it's going to be a UI table view. And let me open that file here again. Okay. Connect everything. I can't. Why? Header container. Can I connect this? No. Why? Oh, what happened to the what? I thought I assigned the class to it. Okay. Table view goes with table view. Header container is the header container. Result description is this guy. Class label. And finally our stat label. Alright, is that it? Can we compile? We're compiling. Maybe this is it? Nope, not simple as that. I think show stat detail has no segue. Show stat detail. Did I forget to assign it? Come on. Maybe I forgot to assign it. I know something is gonna go wrong. Okay, we've replaced the header with a fixed view, but my data is gone. That is because this table view does not think that its controller is the data source. Oh, very good. Very good. I like it.